Hi, Face. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. It feels good to be vlogging. It's vlogging time, which means we're on vacation. Well, I really get to vlog. That's the only time I really get to vlog consistently these days on vacation. So we're heading to the airport this morning. Say hello, princess.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Papa. Where is he? Can you guys see him? Ah, the sun is hitting. So Sarah showing you guys her mermaid. Okay, Sarah, sit. You guys, we're heading on vacation. The kids are on 2 weeks vacation from school, and Babe and I took 1 week. So this is the final week, and we're heading to Spain. We're heading to Barcelona for a few days, and then we're on to another destination for another few days. But after Barcelona vlog, then I'll tell you where we're going for the next few days to make it more fun and more exciting for you guys to keep the suspense to see where we're heading. So we're at the airport right no, we're not at the airport as yet. We're at the tram stop waiting on the tram to take us to the airport. We'll be at the airport in like 5 minutes. That's how close we live to the airport from this tram stop. We took a bus to the tram stop, which take us like 5 minutes, and then from the tram stop to the airport it take us another 5 minutes. So we live about 10 minutes from the airport by public transport. Yeah, so that's where we're heading right now, to the airport. We have a 12 p.m. flight, and it's almost 10 a.m. right now, so we need to be checking in our luggages and all our things. So yeah, so hopefully you guys are doing well, and thank you guys for sticking around with us even though we haven't been so consistent lately because of work and all that. But I know you guys are always here to enjoy the journey with us. Life has been busy. We've been working, school, and the kids and all that. But you know, anytime I get to vlog, you guys are gonna see those footages. So yeah, this is us heading to Spain. So enjoy today's vlog. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fandom. And if you don't know who we are, just catch up on the old vlogs. There are many of those vlogs. So yeah, heading to the airport, and the tram is incoming. So let me show you that. Sarah, look up. Hold on to the suitcase. Thank you. So here's the tram coming. We're heading to the airport on this ride. And this will take us exactly to the terminal door. In we go. You want to go sit beside Tyler? Go on. No, I'm standing. Zara, look.
Push now. Don't move there.
To the airport, and I realized that I forget one of my earrings. I'm so pissed. So Mel definitely is gonna buy one at some point somewhere, knowing me. But we made it to the airport 45 minutes before boarding time. That's good. No late bugs around here. What you have to say for yourself?
I do. Now is 9, almost 10.
It's 10.
It's 10, and our check-in is open at 10:45. So I have almost 1 hour to wait.
Yeah, what you gonna do in that 1 hour?
I don't know.
Mesdames et messieurs, pour des raisons de sûreté, merci de signaler immédiatement au service de police toute situation anormale et du bagage laissé sans surveillance.
Anyway, guys, we're here at the airport. Alright, passport control done. And of course, our flight is delayed 1 hour. EasyJet never fails. Never, ever, ever fail. But we've checked in. And now heading to our gate, I guess.
C'est cher, maman. Est-ce qu'on achète un retour, faut aussi le ressortir?
Ah oui.
Perfume. The good stuff. We're hungry and we did carry sandwiches from home, but that's knocked off already and it's not even 12 o'clock as yet. So we're buying drink. Hold on. What you buying? What you buying? Which juice? Show them the juice you buy. Cherries. Powerade. We love a good Powerade whenever we're traveling. You know, whenever you travel, there are some things that you just love and enjoy eating and drinking. So that's where we got it. And there's a little sandwich shop. Hi.
Mama.
Hey. She has been looking forward to this flight. Can I tell you guys how much she's been looking forward to this flight? She's been asking since forever when we're going on the plane. She gets her wish. She gets her wish. Going on the plane and she's happy about it. Excited, Sarah? What a beautiful. What is written? It's the bathroom sign and the seat belt sign and the non-smoking sign. This one means no smoking. This one means you to lock your belt and keep it closed. And this one means to use the bathroom. Okay?
Welcome to Barcelona, where the local time is 10 minutes to 3. Electronic devices.
We have landed and is now heading to go and pick up our suitcase to head to our hotel. So there we go. Go, go, go. Here. They're coming out from that end. And I already see one. I think. Come.
I'm just looking for them.
This first one now? Is not us?
Yeah, the blue.
No. That have a code. Oh, see one there, see the brown one there. I think the blue one is that one. That's the lady touch. I think that one is ours. Honey, come. Let's go. Come on. Go before they suck them back in. The other one is about to pass. You check if it's not it. That behind you. I think it is.
To check it, the shoes are sorry. That's what I mean. Your name should be written Wallace.
Where? Yes. And this one?
Yeah, what is
Sarah? Sarah? No. Sarah? Hold here. Give this to Mama. Hold. Put your hand. Turn around. Before I end the vlog, I wanted to give you a quick rundown of the hotel that we're staying. So turn the camera and show you this hotel. So inside they have a mini bar section that anything you take from here you have to pay for it, and then you have section there that you can store your things. You have a workspace right here, and you have a mini fridge here. You have storage space up here, and you have another storage space up here. You have another storage space down here. Here you have Sarah and the bathroom. Sink. It's called sink.
Two sink with two soap, one toilet, one, two, three paper, and there's a bathroom,
There's a bath.
and that is for brush your teeth. We take a bath, we put, and you get enter. That is for brush your teeth.
Okay, what else do we have in the room? In this room, what else do we have? She took over the tour.
We have my new shoes.
Okay. All right, let me continue. We have bed, so Sarah will be down here. Tyler will be up there. Wait, it's night. They can't see the garden. And you have this fine man over here. And we have the bedside table. All right, Sarah. Thank you. Thank you, Sarah. Good job. We have a safe.
Inside there's a tablet.
And there's a photo over here. You have TV over here. I don't even know where the remote. Okay, the remote is there.
Here's my tablet.
Yeah, so that is yes, Sarah, we finished the tour. Yes, the tablet is in the safe. There's a what you have to talk to them in English. What is it in English? Very good.
With a TV.
Okay.
Oh my doo-doo.
All right, can we end the vlog now? Can you tell the faves bye?
But me I have.
Can you tell the faves bye?
Mama,
Yes.
can I sleep down with Sarah?
We'll think about it.
Sarah, je have a cushion.
C'est quoi qui est ton problème en haut? T'as peur en haut?
Non.
Okay, guys, let me end this vlog, please. Sarah, say bye bye. Tyler, say bye bye. Baby, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, you guys. See you guys tomorrow on another day of vacation. You guys, so as I'm sitting here editing, I just want to let you guys know that between the airport and me showing you the tour of the room, we did a full exploring of the streets of Barcelona. But that vlog is so much footage and it's so good that I decided to put it in a separate vlog for you guys that you will see tomorrow. So please come back tomorrow or whenever I post the next vlog. I won't make it too far apart from this one, and you'll see all the good stuff that I have to show you guys. Okay, so you sis, thanks for watching.